Hi there, Kathy Cheo-Isaacs, also known as Knives Chow, and on Twitter at I Wear the Crowns. So I'm now continuing with activity 2 and lesson 4 of the Python coding activities in Minecraft Education Edition. So I am working on dog number 2's mixed diet. So dog 2, oh, now this is all lit up too because of the redstone lamp, because I got dog 1's diet correct. So dog 2, oh, and look, it has a bed. How cute. Okay, so dog 2, I'm looking here at the dispensers. I'm going to go ahead and say C for code builder. And I had just finished activity 1, so now I'm on 2, which is I hit next, which I hadn't been doing before. So now it's saying give the second dog everything that's already in the list or the array with additional vitamins added. Do this by using the append method to add the variable vitamins to the end of the list. Then change the value of the last place block at position command so it places the vitamins in the machine, and then give the food to dog number 2. Okay, so what we need to do is so first item is to append. And so a method is also a procedure. So that's built into code builder. That's built into this code. We don't have to write it. So we are going to go here. And notice too that the hashtags, so in Python, the hashtags are used to comment out that line of code. So that means that if you use a hashtag, notice it's also green here, the computer is going to ignore that code because that's a comment just for you. So I'm going to keep that there. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter at the end of the line so that I have a line of code. And I need to add the variable vitamins, which is here, to this dog food list. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and say dog food because that's the variable, dog food. So notice too that there's an autocomplete menu and I'm picking that. Now, usually with a method, you add a method, you separate the method from the variable with a period. And there it is. So, or a dot is what we say, or what you say in coding, not we, because I'm not there yet. But anyway, the nice thing is the first thing that comes up is append. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. So append, and I'm going to, right now it's saying none, but I'm going to add vitamins. And you'll see that that pops up there as well. So dog food, append vitamins. What should happen is dog food, it will add vitamins to the end of the list. And then I'm adding redstone because that's how, when we add redstone to that spot, these spots, then it's going to make the connection for the dispenser to dispense the items. So we just need to now, we use append, then change the value of the last place block. So that's this last command, and I'm going to go ahead and change that to 4. Because remember, in a list, the index starts at 0. So bone is 0, beef is 1, chicken is 2, biscuit is 3. And when vitamins comes at the end there, it will be 4. Okay, so again, I'm going to shrink the window. And because I put it on the left, it's already there. I'm going to hit play to compile the code. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to watch. There's the redstone block up there. Oh, look, and everything. And it disappears. All right, you got to watch fast. So let's go to the chest. I right-clicked it to open it up. And then I don't know if you know this tip, but the speedy quick way to get items into your hotbar. I mean, you can click and bring them down, but if you hold shift down and you click, what will happen is that those items will fly down into your hotbar. Okay, so I have my items from my chest. Look at doggy number 2, so ready. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press 1 to get the chicken, whatever's in 1, and I'm going to Q to throw it, 2, Q to throw it. There's a little bit of things are happening correctly because I hear there's a little bell. I'm not sure that the system sound is on. Okay, so I'm on 3 for the bone and Q to throw it, 4 for the vitamins and to throw it, and 5 for the beef and to throw it. And we're correct. Hooray! Dog number 2 has gotten all its items. and its redstone lamp is lit up. So now we just have dog number 3 to worry about. So let's go ahead and come back and look at our food dispensers. We're going to hit C to go to Code Builder. I'm going to expand this window so I see the full screen. And then the key to learning is to hit Next in the tutorial. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the last part of this activity is to give the third dog everything that's in the list, but no beef. That's right, no beef. So what we have to do, what it's saying it's to do is to use the pop method to remove the variable beef from the list. So then we give the food to number 3. Okay, so with this code snippet, everything stays as is. So we said dog food append, and we're adding vitamins. And I'm not so familiar with, oh, I see why it's out there. It's just to be a little distinct. I got it. Okay, I'll leave it there. You know, part of me was like, I need everything lined up, but I'll leave that alone. So the code snippet is still going to need vitamins to be appended because essentially it starts over. But now it needs beef to be popped off. No beef, right? So we're going to do the same thing. We want the list. So I'm going to go ahead and type dog food. We want the list, and we want to apply a method or a procedure to the list. So we launch those, or we say we want that to come next by hitting dot or period. And with that, we have a list, and I'm going to go ahead and choose pop. I'm going to type that in. Don't confuse it with poop. And then we have, oh, look at that. So now we have parentheses. So before, I think there was none for vitamins, but now I think we can choose what we want to take off. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm going to pop 1 because bone is 0, beef is 1. Let's try that. And then we want all of these things in here. Then give the food to number 3. So that's interesting because we're going to pop off 1. All right, and then we're going to follow all those steps. So let's see what happens. I'm going to shrink the window. I'm going to hit play to compile the code. I'm going to cross my fingers. Oh my gosh, look at that. It did everything but the beef. It's almost like you need to put that in slow-mo. And then I'm going to right-click to get my chest. And remember, what's the tip for getting everything to fly down? That's right, shift plus a click. So shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click. We have those items. Let's turn around to doggy number 3, and we're going to throw those items in. So let's see how far we can throw. I want to see the dog and everything. I'm going to take a little screenshot of this for my thumbnail. Okay, so now I'm going to press, well, you know, I could wheelie mouse over there too. So wheel mouse to 1. Look at the dog heads. That's cute. Is that because they like that food? Right? Biscuits, vitamins, but a bone. Ooh, chicken. Ooh, nope, chicken. Oh, wait, I went past it. That's what it was. Ah, yeah, the wheelie mouse is too fast for me. So I'm going to throw the chicken. And there it goes. Oh, whoops, I went forward. Back. Throw this number 2. Throw the seats. Oh, I don't know that it went in there. Okay, 3. Throw the vitamins. Okay, and 4, throw the bone. Correct. We did it. Oh my goodness. So thank you for your help, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to activity 4 or 3. Whoopsie. 3, I guess, is that. I was there already. Oh, look, the glass door's open. So I'm not allowed to go back to activity 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to start fresh with another one. So thanks for your help. I'll see you on the next video, next activity. Bye.